Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Uncool Niyati. So in today's video, I will be unboxing the shoes which I have bought from Flipkart. This campus ka shoes. Let's unbox this. This is oh shit, मैंने कोड फाड़ दिया. Packaging and all, I'm removing this. I'm not sure. One, two, three. Wow! This is what I've got. Mummy ने मंगाया. मेरे can you see it? मैं branding कर रही हूँ. लगता है campus का. पीछे. क्या? Inside of this, that's a good one. This is another pair. It is also good one. Now let's wear and see it. And yeah, I want to mention the price. It's of 1020 rupees only. So if you need it, I will be mentioning the links in the comment or in the description box, so please go check it out and buy yourself one. Now let's try these on my legs. So to be honest, I didn't like the fit because in my one leg it was too tight, and my other leg it was okay, and also I think it was a campus shoe because the one I have it is campus written behind the shoes, and this one I got, it is not written, so I think it's a fake one. But I will like to return this item because it does not fit my shoes. So this was the honest review and this was the video. I hope you guys liked it, but if you still want to buy, I will mention the link in the bio and description. Thank you. Bye.